Are you managing an Amazon business? It's definitely intense. You're juggling product research, PPC, reviews, listings, hijackers, returns, and somehow still trying to make a profit. But what if one tool could simplify all of that for you? In today's video, we're diving into Sellerise. It's one of the most powerful Amazon FBA tools I've seen in a while. Whether you're brand new or scaling to 7 figures, this is one of those tools that might just become your secret weapon. Let's break down what it is, the features that actually matter, what makes it different from other tools, and whether it's worth investing in for your business this year. So first off, what is Sellerise? Sellerise is an all-in-one platform built specifically for Amazon sellers. It helps with everything from review management to keyword tracking to reimbursements and listing alerts. Think of it like your command center, your hub for making smarter decisions, catching issues fast, and automating the parts of your Amazon business that used to take hours. Unlike a lot of older tools, Sellerise feels built for how FBA works today. It's fast, flexible, and designed to give you real-time insight into what's actually going on in your business without needing to dig through 10 different dashboards. Now, let's walk through some of the key features that make Sellerise really stand out. First up is the review dashboard, and I'll give you a tour of what this all looks like in a bit. I just want to quickly go over what the key features are first. So the review dashboard lets you see all of your review data in one place. It's broken down by product, star rating, and even common phrases used in your reviews. You can spot trends like customers complaining about size or color or confusion and make fast updates to your listing. It also includes a goal calculator, which shows you exactly how many positive reviews you'd need to raise your average rating, which is super helpful if you're trying to clean up your brand reputation. Next, there's the review requester. This is one of Sellerise's most popular tools, and for good reason. It automates the request to review process inside Amazon, but it does it through Amazon's API, not browser click automation like some outdated tools. You can customize who receives review requests, like excluding refund buyers or only targeting repeat buyers. It even uses smart timing options like AI time or buy time to increase the chance that people actually leave a review. Then you've got the review puncher. If review requester helps you get more positive reviews, review puncher helps you manage and remove negative ones. It reaches out to buyers who left low ratings and gives them the chance to get a refund or replacement. It's 100% Amazon TOS compliant and a game changer for protecting your listing health. Now let's talk about smart alerts. This is huge. Sellerise constantly scans your listing for any changes like hijackers, suppressed listings, maybe pricing errors, missing images, or even title or bullet point changes. If something breaks or shifts, you get notified instantly, so you don't find out days later when sales are down and you're trying to play catch up. Another standout feature is the reimbursement tool. This one audits your accounts for loss, damage, or missing inventory and helps you generate the exact reports and case text you need to file claims with Amazon. It can easily save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. And the best part about it is that it tracks everything you filed, what's still pending, and what's been paid out. There's also the financial dashboard. It gives you all real-time views of your profits, margins, refunds, and fees. You can input COGS, track trends, and use their ABC analysis to figure out which products are your top performers. For those running ads, there's a PPC analytics suite as well. This helps you analyze impressions, click-through rates, cost per click, and conversion performance across different campaigns, so you're not just spending on ads blindly. And as for SEO, Sellerise has keyword tracking, keyword hunter, and a keyword processor. This will help you monitor ranking, optimize your listings, and make data-backed updates that actually drive traffic. Lastly, there's the review downloader and audit checker. These are very small tools, but super practical. You can download reviews for repurposing across platforms and check if any of your listings have been incorrectly flagged as adult. Now, let's go through a little demo and what the inside of it looks like. So to make sure you're getting the best price possible, I've left our exclusive link in the description below. What you'll want to do is go ahead and click on that. Before we dive in, I just want to quickly show you the different pricing and plan options. So they have a bunch of different options here. So they really do have a plan for everyone. So as you can see, they've got the starter plan, and this is just $19.99 a month. You get one unified seller account and up to 1,000 orders per month. With this, you get Dashboard Pro, financial analytics, keyword tracker, reviews management, smart alerts, and subscribe and save dashboard. Next is the growing, and this is $39.99 per month. With this, you get 2 unified sellers accounts. You get all of these tools, but a couple of extra key features here. Next is the advanced, which is $99.99 per month, and this is for 5 unified seller accounts and up to 50,000 orders. So as you can see, the more seller accounts and orders per month, the more of an investment it becomes. And there are some extra add-ons here, as like the Keyword Hunter Pro and multiple collaborators, etc. The Pro seller is $299 per month. We've got those 10 seller accounts and 150,000 orders per month. And then lastly is the top seller, and this is made for enterprise highest level Amazon sellers. So you get 12 collaborators, all tools from Pro Seller, early access to new features, and special Rise events discounts. If you are an agency, you do have to contact them directly just to customize everything to your liking. So again, they do have a plan for everyone starting at $19.99 a month, which is really, really good for the amount of tools and the benefits that this is giving you. So if you want to get started, you can sign up for the 7-day free trial. So you can just click whichever one sounds good to you. You can go ahead and type in your name, your email, your phone number, a password, and then you can go ahead and sign up. Then it will prompt you to verify your phone number and connect your Amazon account. Okay, once you are in, here is what the main dashboard looks like. So as you can see, there is so much data in here. You've got your sales, your product sales, your net profit. You can even see the change within the last 4 weeks. You can go ahead and change the period if you want to look at the previous month and change this to weekly. You can customize the dates as well to look at all of this. Again, there's so much information. You can see stock shortage, you can see organic units, orders, and so much more. And then if you go into the finances tab, you can look at your sales and profit and loss, ABC analysis. There's also payouts, which is in beta. Again, just so much information, and you can customize all of this for your liking. And then you can change the view to profit and loss. And then next is the PPC dashboard. So this is where you can see your products, the impressions, clicks, average cost of click, ad sales, etc. You can look by brand, display, videos, television, or look at all of them together. Again, you can do today, yesterday, last 30 days, custom range. And then if you come over here, you can look at smart alerts. So this is where you can see, things like low inventory level, out of stock, seller feedback. So if you have a more negative review, you will get notified. You also can go ahead and search here as well. And again, you can configure all of this. And again, you'll get notified if you've run out of stock of something. Yeah, seller feedback, low inventory level. So this is where all of your alerts will be. You also can look at all of your history as well as channels if you have them. And then you've got reviews. So we'll go ahead and go to the review dashboard. This is where you can see all reviews, and you can show only your products. You also can, again, sort by total, by reviews, by rating. You can export all of this as well. You can add in a new product here. And then here is the review requester. So this is where you can go ahead and configure. So here you can go ahead and configure review requests. So here you can see this one. This is going to send to people who have not provided feedback. So this is where they will send requests on orders that have already received seller feedback where ratings are from 4 and 5, and orders with no seller feedback. So also repeat and non-repeat. Again, you can customize all of this. You can delay. You can also decide when you want it to be sent, the max days to request it. So everything is completely customizable for you. They've also got keywords like I mentioned. So over here is just the keyword tracker. They've got the keyword processor, the hunter, the re-ranker. Really, they have so much in here. They've also got reimbursements. So you can look at the dashboard here and see reimbursed cash, found units, cases pending. And then you can see it here on a chart, on a table like this, and then you can customize, of course. There's also lost and damaged inventory, again, just so you can go ahead and keep track of that, and wrong FBA fees as well. Then you've got your inventory. Again, this is like having everything in one place, so you don't have to go to a million different places to check on your reviews and your inventory. It's all in one central hub. You've got shipment documents and then the adult checker like we talked about. That covers everything. Again, I highly recommend using our link in the description below and trying out the free trial. You can get a 7-day free trial and just poke around, see how you like it, and see if it's a good fit for you. Okay, so now that you understand what Sellerise is, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. The biggest pro is how complete this tool is. It's really rare to find one platform that handles review management, keyword tracking, reimbursements, listing alerts, and profit tracking all in one place. And it doesn't feel clunky at all. It's actually very, very intuitive, like I just showed you, and very customizable, which is so important. Sellerise also updates quickly to match Amazon's latest changes changes. Features like low inventory, feed tracking, and adult listing alerts are already built in, and that kind of development speed is honestly very rare. Another pro is that it's just going to save you time. Once you've set up your alerts and automations, you don't need to log in every 5 minutes. The system tells you what's happening and where to focus your energy. Now for a few cons. The UI can feel a bit overwhelming at first because there's just so much information in there. And if you're brand new to FBA, it may take a minute to get comfortable with all the data and tools. And while most features are intuitive, some like the review puncher or keyword tools just take time to fully learn. But once you do, the payoff is totally worth it. So is Sellerise worth it for you? If you're serious about your Amazon business, especially if you're selling multiple products or even scaling to 6 or 7 figures, then absolutely. This tool pays for itself in time saved, revenue recovered, and reviews managed. It's not just about growth, it's about stability. With all of the changes Amazon keeps rolling out, Sellerise helps you stay ahead, stay protected, and stay profitable. So whether you're cleaning up listings or trying to rank better or just want to automate the headaches, this is a tool I'd highly recommend. When you're building an Amazon business, you want to focus on what matters: great products, solid marketing, and happy customers. Sellerise takes care of everything in between. And again, if you want to check them out and try that 7-day free trial, use our link in the description below. It's the best way to try it out risk-free. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build, grow, and scale successful e-commerce businesses. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.